and very smooth. You win some, you lose some.
But you live to fight another day.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we are coming back with yet again another haul. I have been hitting the mother load when it comes to home decor lately. It's just been happening for you girls, so I wanted to share all my goodies with you today. Some things were a splurge, some things were a save, but they're all so good. I couldn't even pick my favorite piece to start with, so I'm just gonna start with Zara Home. If you have an empty space in your home and you don't know what to put in it, a stool might be it. I got this four-legged teak wood stool from Zara Home. When I got it, it was only $99. It's actually increased to $119 for whatever reason, but it's amazing. It's still worth it in my opinion. It's very good quality. It's actually pretty heavy, has some weight to it, and I stand on this like all the time. Like if I'm trying to reach something, I had to change my Ring cameras, like the battery, and then I had to stand on this to get to it, and it didn't break. So this was a really good investment, and like I said, it's just so good. Like the wood grain in it is good. And I have talked about Zara Home before in the past about how it can be kind of up there price.
$700 for a damn rag. Just a rag.
But some stuff is just worth it. I feel like it's a really good price for this stool, like only $99. Well, now it's $120, but stools like this, like the antique ones, are well over that. So you can kind of fake an antique look in your home but not pay that high price tag. So I've also been loving stools because they don't take up too much space in your home, but they make a statement at the same time. And you can move these around your space, like the same piece in your space in a different spot. It looks different. It just gives you like a fresh lease on life. That was so corny. It just gives you like a fresh look of the space, even though you're not really changing anything. You're just changing the location of your pieces. So love this, y'all. I tried to fight it, I really did, but these next pieces were too good to pass up. And yes, it's a vase or a vessel, whatever you prefer to say. Now, I did wait on these for a while because y'all know me, I love to find like a more affordable option of whatever I'm loving, but I could not find anything anywhere like this. I love this vase. Now, they have a small one and a big one. The small one, this is the small one, it was $70. I know, like I kind of cringed a little bit when I was hitting purchase, but it's worth it. So for one, it really gives you that wabi vibe because it's not perfectly even. Like the way it's side heavy, you know what I mean by side heavy? Like it kind of leans. Okay, so it's not like even on both sides. This side kind of protrudes a little bit more, and I loved it so much that I actually got the big one too. Now, in my defense, Zara had a sale, so...
Okay, now they had a designer sale, so I took advantage.
The big one was originally, I think it was like $100, but I got the big one for $50. So it kind of made me mad that I paid more for the big one than the small one, but... You win some, you lose some.
But you live to fight another day.
But these are the same, just in different sizes. I just fell in love with the ombre neutral color that this is. It is so good, so good. And I've been loving how vases, like different heights. You guys know, if you watched my last video, I talked about how like in a bookcase you need to play with like heights and levels. Same goes anywhere else. If you have two of the same thing, try to buy two different sizes and put them next to each other to give that staggered effect, and it's just so good. I have been loving it everywhere I see it. It just adds a little something to the space, you know. But yeah, Love this. Love it so much. Do you see the texture of this? Oh my gosh. Like the texture, I tried really hard, y'all. I promise y'all, I tried really hard to find something that was cheaper. I looked at HomeGoods and I couldn't find anything like this. Like the ombre neutral effect it gave, the like texture on it. Oh, it just looks so good. It kind of gives the feel of like those baskets. Are they baskets? I don't know. I've seen them at RH. I think they're like African baskets or something. I'll try to insert a picture, but it really gave that feel, and I'm just so excited to put these up. I think I'm gonna put these up in my kitchen somewhere, but oh, so good. Okay, this next piece was a bit of a splurge. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, even now I'm thinking in my head, Andrea, did you really need that? But I did. So I got this stone ball from Zara Home as well. You guys know I have been obsessed with spheres around my house. I have them pretty much in every room, and this one took the cake for me. This thing is solid. It's not hollow where you only get stone on the outside and the inside is nothing. This is like a legit stone piece, and I'm not really sure what kind of stone it is. This was $70.
You crazy as hell.
I know, but I save so much money everywhere else on a regular basis that occasionally I'll treat myself, and this was a treat. I needed it. And the size kind of got me too, because just for a comparison, these are the spheres I usually like. This is a marble one I have on my console table in my living room, and I get these from HomeGoods. But you see the size difference? Yeah. I think this one's probably on like 3.5 to 4 inches, and this is like 6 all around, and I just needed it. It's so pretty. This is like amazing. I put it up on the side because it's heavy. It's kind of hard for me to hold this up to the camera without dropping it, but I love the tone. It's like muted, perfectly neutral, and very smooth. Like, I just love the smoothness of it, and like I said, it looks so good in my space. I feel like these kind of pieces you can like stick anywhere and they'll look good. I have this sitting on top of some coffee table books here in my living room, and it's like the most amazing combination. So dope. We're done with Zara Home. Let's get into Anthropologie. So I've never bought anything from Anthropologie, like ever, but when Jackie Aina posted a reel on Instagram, oh my gosh, my voice just cracked. But I saw a reel that Jackie Aina posted, and I was just, you know, focusing on her oh my gosh. I was focusing on her home decor, and I saw the sculpture and hit Google like real quick and tried to find it. And I did. Now I got even more excited, more amped, because I got this on sale. Everywhere I had seen this, it was like well over $300, but Anthropologie had a sale on top of a sale. So when I saw this was on like $180, $190 after tax, I added to the bag and purchased. And it's very good quality. Like, it's heavy. Very, very heavy, and the texture is there. Just look at how good this is. It's amazing. The form, drool, and I feel like adding abstract pieces like this to your space really elevates it and takes it to the next level. After I bought this, I started seeing it everywhere on Instagram, and it literally looks good everywhere. Console table, just anywhere you stick it is gonna make a statement and bring that space to life. So I have this sitting on my coffee table right now, and it's just amazing. I love how sculptural it is. I love how abstract it is. And like I said, it's really good quality, very heavy, and amazing. Did I say that already? It's amazing. Now, speaking of form and sculptural and abstract pieces, I found all that in a candlestick holder at HomeGoods. And this is her. Now, when I first saw this, it was in the kitchen area, like where all the cutting boards and everything were. So I was like, it's in the kitchen area. Is it like a spice rack of some sort? Because I couldn't figure it out. But then I read the bottom of the label, and it said, well, the bottom of this I read the label on the bottom of this and it said it was a candlestick holder, and then I saw the hole on the top and I was like, yes, add it to the cart. I just love this. I love the wood tones. It gives you that warmth. And when you put a candlestick in there, let me light it for you. Light a candle for y'all. I went with black because I feel like black on wood is just chef's kiss. But, okay. Bomb, 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 bomb. Like, I'm looking for another one of these. I have been looking ever since I found this. Hopefully I can find like a shorter one, but even if I don't, this is just amazing. Like, I haven't seen this anywhere. Like, this was just luck of the go to Homegoods. Not luck of the draw, but luck of the shop. I just be making stuff up on this channel, but I just love it so much. Like I said, you can just stick this on a tabletop and layer it with other candlestick holders that are different but complementary, and it'll still give you that vibe. Stick it on a console table. It's just, y'all, this is so amazing. I'm so excited about it. It's so, so good. So, so good. Oof. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Sound off in the comments and let me know which piece was your favorite, or if you've scored any of these pieces, because I think they're all dope. Like, every single one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.